Every house has got a story, and this one in Widnes has just got a brand new chapter. And today we're in Widnes meeting the team at Leabra Construction, taking you behind the scenes of this incredible house extension. From early ideas to challenges on site to this stunning transformation. I'm Steve Boylan and this is my home improvement hub. So what were the main goals of the project?
The project was the customer wanted to extend his kitchen, create a ensuite upstairs and just basically create a better living space for the family. Originally this had an extension but the bricks weren't aesthetically keeping in line with the house. We took the extension right down, matched in the bricks far better and done away with the old toilet, put that upstairs with the ensuite, which we can see later, and extended the kitchen right through.
So what's the biggest consideration when planning the work for a project like this, Grant?
Well, a project like this is obviously, as you can see from the building, it's a really old project. It's not heritage, but you have got to be in keeping with the current design of the existing house. So the idea was to match it all in, keep it aesthetically pleasing, same type of windows, like original sash windows, and again, yeah, just as I say, it's got to be matching aesthetically. That was the biggest consideration, trying to find a brick that was sympathetic to the existing house. There is a slight difference, as you can see now, but the idea is we're going to wash them all with a black stain to make them all original and keep it aesthetically pleasing as possible.
So did you come across any unexpected issues once the work had started, Grant?
Yes, we did. What it was is we had to expose the existing foundation to make sure it was suitable to accommodate the new two-storey proposed extension. When we dug it out, there was no foundation there. Basically, it was a very slim, thin extension foundation of the original one. So we had to take the extension right down, rip out the old existing foundations and replace the lot. Basically take the old existing foundations right out, full new foundation in keeping with the structural engineer's calculations to accommodate the new two-storey extension that you can see behind us now.
What advice would you give homeowners considering a similar project like this, Grant?
Biggest advice I could give to anybody is just select your builder carefully. Make sure they can prove the worth, that the reviews are what they say they are. Go and speak to some previous customers. I'll happily put any of my potential customers in touch with all of my customers, my previous customers I should say, because I always do a good job. I leave the job on good terms always, and you know, just check credentials, make sure everything's budgeted for. A lot of people put in cheap prices, and then when you get on the job, you start hitting you for all kinds of extras. Here at Leabra, we don't work like that. What you see is what you get. Everything's factored in. The cost is the cost, and there is no hidden surprises at the end of it. So that's the biggest advice. Select your contractor very carefully. Make sure you go through the paperwork, belt and braces, you get a contract, and everyone's singing off the same hymn sheet before any type of building work starts whatsoever.
So Grant, how do you actually feel about the final result of
I think the results speak for itself, Steve. As anyone with half a brain can see, this is a fantastic project. Client's really happy. It looks fantastic in terms of aesthetics. The outhouse, everyone would want one of them. Every man in the country would want one of them, wouldn't he? So yeah, you know, yeah. It's and I just think we've done a great job in keeping with the existing location, the existing property, and as I say, the results speak for themselves. I'm sure no one will be doubting the workmanship or the craft that's gone into creating such an extension.
Brilliant.
Yeah, I'm really happy.
Yeah, well done, Grant. Yeah.